Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a little earlier my mom asked me whether I like to do something with the leftover chapatis. So I came up with a recipe and it turned out totally delicious, and I think it would act as a starter too. And hope you find this video useful and this recipe useful. Do try it out because you'll love it, and tell me in the comment section. So let's move on to the video. Yeah, so I have the chapatis here, and first I'll be making them into small pieces. If you want some perfection, you can also cut them, but I prefer making them in small pieces. So yeah, then in a pan take some oil. After the oil heats, let's add some bay leaf and mustard and cumin seeds. Then let's add some onion and salt them. So now they've turned golden brown. Now let's add some fresh curry leaves. Then let's add some chili, ginger and garlic. It smells awesome. I added a little more oil. Now let's add in the tomatoes. And salt them too. Some turmeric powder, garam masala, salt as per your taste. You can also add it later also, but I just want to add some now. I also added some sabzi masala and some pizza seasoning. That's optional. Now let's add the chapati which we had earlier torn into pieces. Fry them for some time, and slowly till chapatis will become soft. I added a little more salt because I thought it was needed. You can add it as per your taste. Now let's garnish them with some spring onions. Ready. So that was a way to make chapati into something a little more interesting. So hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to see you guys